Science is a systematic and organized endeavor that seeks to understand the natural world through observation, experimentation, and the formulation of theories. It encompasses a wide range of disciplines, each dedicated to exploring specific aspects of our surroundings. Through the scientific method, a structured approach to inquiry, scientists ask questions, form hypotheses, conduct experiments, and analyze data to draw conclusions. The goal of science is to uncover the underlying principles governing the universe, from the microscopic realm of atoms to the vastness of outer space. It is a process of discovery and refinement where our understanding evolves based on evidence and logical reasoning. Science has led to transformative breakthroughs, such as advancements in medicine, technology, and our understanding of fundamental forces like gravity and electromagnetism. It is a collaborative endeavor that transcends borders and cultures, contributing to the collective knowledge of humanity and shaping our perception of the world. Thanks for watching.